Last week on August 14th, we talked about the $4 million in OPEN unusual option calls that came through on the market. I did say that I was not taking a position in this just because of how ridiculously volatile this stock is. But so far, the stock is up over 26%. And the person who bought those call options is up about 80 to 90%. So that means that the person who bought those options is up close to $3.5 to $4 million within less than a week. Crazy. Now, our target from that video was $5 best case scenario. The reason for this is we are talking about this volume profile point of control right here at $3. Now, if you don't have this indicator, it's completely free on our website. Link is down in the description, and we give you a course showing you exactly how to use it. It's under the volume profile blueprint. You'll be able to find these levels within 10 minutes. Essentially, when we have a thick area of volume on the volume profile, such as this $3 level, this is going to act as a really strong resistance or a really strong support. But once we sweep or once we break out through those levels, price action will move very, very quickly. That's why we were saying that if price held over $3, the move to 4 and maybe even 5 could happen not within months, but within weeks. And so far, that's exactly what is happening. Now, we hit that first $4 target. We are still pretty far away from $5. In my personal opinion, which remember, I didn't take this trade. I'm just sharing with you the flow and how I would manage my trade if I did take it. At this point, I would most certainly be taking some profits off of the table. If I was up like 100% on my trade, there's no reason to not close 20, 30, 40% out and just let the rest ride. The reason for this is if price continues to run up to $5, I wouldn't want to sit there and just be like, oh no, I should have held, I should have held, I should have held. But if price rejects violently, we're not giving all of our profits back. Now, another tool that we could use, which unfortunately is not for free yet, is the THT ATR trailing stop loss. So basically, we could continue to hold on to this position until we ended up breaking the ATR trailing stop. But like we said before, the goal when we're trading massive breakouts is to scale out of a position over time. If you end up holding until price ends up pulling under the ATR or pulling back significantly, you'll end up giving a lot of your profits back. I mean, imagine if we got in down here at 61 cents. That was a 700% move. And by the time we would have exited, it would have been a 260% move. Ridiculous. I'd still take 260% all day. But the goal as price is breaking out, becoming more and more risky, more and more overbought, that we should be scaling out even 10, 15, 20% at a time until eventually it pulls back and we exit entirely. I hope this video helped. If you want to learn the trading system that we use each and every single day, the link to that and all of our indicators are completely free down in the description.